OPPO is launch new members in its Find X9 series soon, and one of those will be the Find X9s. The Find X9s will feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution, include a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor under the screen. The Find X9s is also tipped to come with two 200-megapixel cameras using Samsung's HP5 sensor. This would include a main camera and a 3x periscope telephoto lens, alongside an ultra-wide camera. The Find X8s was powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 Plus SoC, so if MediaTek releases a Dimensity 9500 Plus, then surely that will be inside the X9s. With Android 16 and ColorOS 16 out of the box, the Find X9s will still pack a 7000 mAh battery, which would be a significant jump up from its predecessor's 5700 mAh cell. The X9s is expected to launch alongside the Find X9 Ultra, and perhaps the Find X9s Plus 2 if history repeats itself. The Find X9s design will be very heavily inspired by that of the Find X9, so don't expect anything new in that department. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.